Hey guys, welcome to another wifey takeover, Yardie Belly Kitchen. And today I am doing up some steamed fish, and in the pot here I simply have a half of an onion, a whole tomato, some pimento seeds, also known as allspice, a few sprigs of thyme, and I have coconut oil. It is being sauteed in coconut oil, and this right here is a piece of pure creamed coconut, and it's about an inch each way, 1 by 1 inch by 1 inch piece of creamed coconut that I'm just allowing to melt in the pot, also to give it that coconut milk flavor or creamed coconut flavor. Yeah. And I'm just creating a slight bed to lay the fish on so that it doesn't stick too much. Alright, and this is my seasoned fish over here. I would say it's 3 medium-sized fish, 3 small to medium-sized fish, and they're already pre-seasoned. Yes. Yeah, and I pretty much just pre-seasoned them with this homemade ginger garlic paste. Yes, that the hubby made. Garlic ginger paste, and this homemade green seasoning also made by the hubs. Yeah, so I put those 2 things on the inside of the cavity and on the outside, and I put also some Old Bay seasoning and some of this spicy garlic seasoning, and also some black pepper. You know, you can't make your fish without the good old black pepper. So yeah, so I am pretty much ready now to just ease in the fish in the pot. Just using a tongue to take it up, and just lay it on top in the pot like such. There you go. Well, let's put one, let's put them head and tail so that we have more space on the other end. Right. And I already went ahead and placed butter in the cavity along with the green seasoning and the garlic ginger seasoning. So I'm just going to cover the pot now and allow it to do its thing. Gonna allow it to do its thing for about maybe 20 minutes or so, or a little less, and then I will come back and add my okras, because we're gonna do our steamed fish with some good old okras. Alright, stay tuned. So yes, it's been about say 15 minutes or so, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add my okras on top, and they were properly washed already. And they were pretty clean. You know, some okras are clean and some of them look very takra. Well, this was a clean batch, so I didn't have to do much cutting off and cleaning up at all. So I'm just laying those on top and covering the pot again. I might add another piece of butter. I think I might add another piece of butter. But yeah, I'm gonna just allow the okras to steam, and then in another 10 or 15 minutes this should be totally done. So let me add my butter now. Yeah, and I'm gonna just put a little bit of my oyster flavor sauce. Yeah, two of them come from the sea, so them can work together, oyster and fish. Just to help to build a little gravy vibe. Yeah, and give it a little more flavor. So I'm just adding a little bit, maybe a tablespoon's worth of oyster sauce on top, and I'm just pouring a little bit of water, just allowing it to simmer. I'm gonna turn the fire up a bit. It's been on low all this time, so I can turn it a bit up now so that it can do a little bit more to the meal. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna allow that to stay for a little bit, and I will be back. So I wouldn't be Jamaican if I didn't put a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper in this steamed fish. So I cut a small piece off of this whole one that I had, and I pretty much sprinkled it. If you can see those yellow highlights, yeah, those are the pieces of pepper. Hopefully it's not too hot, because you already know how it is with me and pepper. I don't like it. Alright? Too much. I like the flavor, but I don't like when it's scorching hot. So yeah, and also in true Jamaican style, I'm going to be sprinkling some Excelsior water crackers. That's how we do with steamed fish, guys. Genuine Jamaican water crackers. And I'm just sprinkling a couple on top so it can kind of steam down. So when you serve out your fish, you serve out some okra and you pick up a couple pieces of crackers, and you're good to gizzle. Yeah. So the thing set. Remember I told you. Okay. So just lay them across the pot like such. Cover it, and by this time the pot is on low. It's on 2. I'm gonna put it even lower. Yeah, and just cover it and leave it alone. All right, now mess with it for the rest of the evening. The next time it will be just turned off and served, so stay tuned. So here you have it, guys, the plated steamed fish, which is highly garnished, so you may not be able to see the actual fish, but I believe me, trust me, it's under there. But we just laid some of the okras and the crackers and some freshly cut bell pepper on top. So yeah, I promise you it's gonna be uber good.
It looks so divine. And riboflavin.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. See him there? See the head there? Right there, right there.
Take a picture for Instagram.
Y'all ready for this? Bon appetit when you make yours. Thanks for watching, and as usual, continue to like, rate, share, subscribe, call your friend, tell your friend, say Yardie Belly TV are the bomb. Remember I told you. And as usual, remember, cook and eat, laugh and
live and laugh, live and laugh.
Live and laugh, cook and eat. I Yardie Belly says so. Hear him there. Later.